Horses out, we have Princess Jacqueline, best to begin, moving a party outside the win lane, best kept secret, Hieroglyphics, Grey Angel, then followed by GI Speedball, Sing a Song, and Biodata, into the turn they gallop, this time 3 runners partying out for the leader, win lane is already outside, Danori inside, Grey Angel, Princess Jacqueline in the middle, racing in port, best kept secret, Hieroglyphics, Sing a Song, GI Speedball, and Biodata, they swing into the back. Grey Angel and Princess Jacqueline partying out for the leader. Win lane is racing in third. Best kept secret still in fourth. Moving a party out so now is Hieroglyphics. GI Speedball comes next. Sing a song. This time bunch of horses partying out for the leader. Best kept secret takes the lead by Olalenka. Hieroglyphics now moving up to take second and into the win lane. Best kept secret. Hieroglyphics moving a party outside. This time we have Hieroglyphics by about a half length. Danori inside is best kept secret. GI Speedball now racing into last. They come down to the last 200. It's the Hieroglyphics by Olalenka. Best kept secret remains in second. GI Speedball in third. But it's still Hieroglyphics by about 2.5 lengths. Best kept secret still in second. GI Speedball. And hitting the finish line, we have a Hieroglyphics second. Best kept secret, GI Speedball, Grey Angel, and Sing a Song.